Welcome back to Crypto Deal News. We have another XRP update, and this is not about another headline, another tweet, or another quick pump on the chart. This is about the plumbing of Wall Street we're talking about right here. The system beneath the system. Because anytime you buy a stock, buy a crypto coin, make a trade, there is a system behind the scenes settling that transaction. And at the center of that system is DTCC. Before we go deeper, quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, and that is FOMO, where traders become legends. From meme coins to viral tokens, FOMO has it all. You can trade any crypto coin in seconds on FOMO. You can also follow top traders, get real-time notifications on what they're buying or selling, and be able to track their portfolios. You can even compete in the leaderboards to become a top trader on FOMO. Super easy onboarding on FOMO. You can create an account within just seconds. And if you use code DYL on FOMO, DYL, you will get 10% off all trading fees. If you want to check it out, it's on the App Store or Google Play. I'll even drop it in the description for you, but let's get back into the video. DTCC is the settlement engine of United States-based markets. DTCC is the layer that finalizes all trades. And now DTCC is heading toward tokenization and blockchain-based settlements. That's a big deal right there, because tokenization isn't just about putting assets on chain. It's about changing how value moves with 4 different key factors: faster settlement, lower friction, real-time ownership, more efficient capital. But here's the part where most people miss. Tokenization needs liquidity. You can tokenize stocks, bonds, treasuries, but they need a way to be able to settle within the system. And that is exactly where XRP comes into the picture. You need XRP to do things like this. XRP was not built for hype. XRP was built for liquidity, settlement, 3 to 5 second transaction times, cross-border payments. And Ripple is not chasing retail hype. They don't care about, getting a retail holder to buy XRP. What's going after is banks, institutions. They're focused on payments and infrastructure. Ripple is focused on custody, prime brokerage. The Hidden Road acquisition that Ripple made pretty recently is a perfect example of it all. That's actual real-world infrastructure being built with Ripple on the XRP ledger right there. So now we have DTCC exploring tokenization. We're seeing that Ripple is now moving deeper into the financial plumbing sector. XRP was designed for settlement and liquidity. That's not random. That's all part of the big game here. Most people are just watching the price, but the real story behind the scenes is what's being built, the actual infrastructure that's being built behind the scenes. History always looks boring at first. Look at the internet, look at the railroads, look at the school system, and most importantly, the financial system, until everyone starts running on it. And that's exactly what we're about to see with this major shift. And if XRP becomes part of that infrastructure, it won't need hype. It won't need retail. It'll become the standard. No single dot tells the whole story, but together they have a direction. And the direction is very clear. The current financial system is heading towards tokenization. And XRP is one of the very few assets specifically built for this kind of infrastructure. Without liquidity rails, tokenized assets are trapped on different islands. And XRP's role, if it succeeds, is to be that bridge for those islands to connect everybody. So if you guys like XRP videos like this, then make sure you guys subscribe and hit the follow button, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.